Hello everyone. Today I will introduce you to the Mexc crypto exchange. Previously, I introduced the Binance exchange. Together, we will explore various crypto exchanges. It is important to register on different exchanges because you may not find every cryptocurrency on every exchange. Any coin with potential is listed on many exchanges before it arrives on Binance. If you wait for that coins to come to Binance before buying it, you may miss out on great opportunities. Therefore, it is crucial to be familiar with cryptocurrency exchanges. To buy a coin at the right prices, you need to have a good understanding of the exchanges. For those who are not familiar with Mexc exchange, I will provide a brief summary. To sign up for Mexc, you can use the referral link below the video. By using my referral link, you can enjoy a discount on your trading commissions for all your transactions. When you click on the link, you will see a page with my invitation code. After entering your email and password and confirming, you will have successfully registered on the exchange. Once you complete the registration process, you will see this screen. After sign up for the exchange, make sure to complete the identity verification. There are two levels of verification available. The homepage offers various options such as events to win, $1,000 bonuses, trading, features, and assets. For example, you can quickly access the trading screen from here. You can also view your assets quickly from the assets section. If you want to see your assets in the regular way, you need to select the wallet spot option. In my previous Binance video, I explained how to trade using limits, market, and spot limit. I also showed you how to send cryptocurrencies. Nothing has changed in this exchange. You can follow the same steps. Now I will send algo from Binance to the Mexc exchange. I usually use algo because the commission fees are reasonable. To send algo, I first enter my spot wallet on Mexc exchange. I type algo in the search bar and select deposit to find my algo address. I copied my algo address. Now I am opening my Binance account and entering my spot wallet. I select the withdraw option next to algo and paste the Mexc algo address that I copied earlier. Algo network is automatically selected, but please still pay attention to the network. Now I enter the amount of algo. Okay, I am ready to withdraw my funds from the Binance exchange. After clicking on withdraw, I will confirm the SMS and email verification. And then algo will be in my Mexc account. Okay, I will explain the key features of the Mexc exchange. Mexc has its own token called Mx. Exchange tokens are always important because exchanges want the locking of their own tokens in all activities. Let me show you. Go to the Spot Mx zone and click on it. Here you will see the details of burning Mx tokens. When you scroll down, you will find the Kickstarter and Launchpad sections. On the right side, you will see the requirements for participating in these events. To participate in Kickstarter events, you need to hold Mx consecutively for 15 days, and your daily Mx position should be at least 1000. To participate in Launchpad events, you will need to hold Mx for 30 days, and your daily position should be 1000 Mx. These requirements indicate the Mx token price can increase. There are other advantages of Mx token as well. Mx tokens are regularly burned, which helps maintain the circulating supply of Mx. Here you can see the maximum Mx supply and the amount of Mx burned so far. This represents the circulating supply. Now let's look at the Launchpad events. For example, there are several events here. Once you fulfill the participation requirements, you can join these events. To receive more rewards from the events, you need to hold more Mx tokens in your account. As you can see, there are many projects to increase the Mx token price. In the crypto market, there is no guarantee, and markets are full of significant risks. But if you follow the right path and use the right strategies, you can achieve results beyond your imagination. I am not giving investment advice. I am just trying to provide information. I hope it is helpful for you. See you in my next video.